A contractor employed 210 persons to build a house in 60 days. After 12 days, 70 more persons were employed. In how many days more will the work be completed? Understand the problem properly. 210 persons first and the work gets completed in 60 days. Now after 12 days, 70 more persons. So total become 280. But 12 days have passed. So what work has completed and what is remaining? That is required. Here, in 60 days, 210 people complete full work. So in 12 days, how much work will be completed? Days remaining is, means total days remaining is 48 after 12 days. Out of 60, 12 are gone. So 48 remaining. So in 48 days, now the remaining work is to be completed. Now what work is remaining? Let's see. Now whatever is remaining, the work, 210 person if employed, these 70 are not brought. Then in 48 days these 210 people will complete it. Right? Now what has happened? Instead of 210, we brought 280. Now 210 persons can complete it in 48 days. Right? So 70 added 280 persons will complete them in 48 plus some days or 48 minus some days. If people are increased, then the days will decrease. Right? Means if this is increased, this decreases. So this becomes inverse proportion. Here, in direct proportion, if one number increases, other also increases. In inverse proportion, it's exactly the opposite. If one number increases, the other decreases. So here one number increases, the other is decreasing. That's why inverse proportion. Now what is the formula for inverse then? Top, top, bottom. It means top into top upon bottom. 210 into 48 upon 280. Calculate this, you will get 36 days. So for if 280 people, 70 people more are employed, you will complete the remaining work in 36 days.